The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kenton County, Central Campbell County, Boone County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Walton, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Resources to
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Covington, Florence, Independence, Erlanger, Edgewood, Alexandria, Ellesmere, Fort Mitchell, Village Hills, Highland Heights, Taylor Mill, Fort Blight, Crescent Springs, Walton, Crestview Hills, Lakeside Park, Oak Brook, Burlington, Union, and Wilder. This includes the following interstates: I-71 in Kentucky between mile markers 70 and 77. I-75 in Kentucky between mile markers 168 and 188. Here is the official between mile markers 168 and 188. Indiana and northern Kentucky, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. Tonight, partly cloudy.